So let's say, for instance, I pick another one, fake color, or I pick the laptop and I go back again. Hi everyone, welcome to the demo of my Flutter Favorites Management app. In this app, users can view a list of products, add items to their favorites, and manage them across sessions using shared preferences. Now let's dive into the key parts of the code. The first file I'm going to be starting with is the favorite.dat file, and if you see right here by the left hand side where all of the files are listed, I used a modular structure for my code where I added each file to the designated folders. So the favorite.dat file is in the models folder. In the favorite.dat file, we define the favorite class, which extends the change notifier, and this class manages the list of favorite items. We also made use of the list string right here to store the items, and there are methods to add and remove items from the list. So to ensure that the data is persistent, we make use of the shared preferences right here to load and save the favorites across app sessions. So right here we have the load favorites method, which retrieves the list from shared preferences, while when we scroll down, we're going to see another save favorite method right here, which saves it back when the list is updated. And after modifying the list, we call the notify listeners method right here to update the UI with the new state. Now next is the favorite screen.dat file. It's under the screens folder, and on this screen we display the list of favorite items using a list view builder. So using a list view builder, like we see right here inside the consumer favorite. So here is this list view builder is inside the consumer favorite right here. So the consumer listens for changes to the favorite model, and it rebuilds the UI when the list is updated. Also, each item is shown in a list tile. So when you come here, you see the list style right here. So each item is shown in a list tile with a delete button, which is this icon right here, icons.delete. And when clicked, the item is removed from the favorites list and the UI is updated automatically. And if favorites are still loading or there is an error loading them, we show them this error message. Now let's move on to the main.dat file. In the main.dat file, it's not in any folder because it's like the main file. It's like the main file. So after doing all of the importations that are necessary, we create the my app widget right here and wrap it in a change notifier provider to make the favorites model accessible throughout the app. And the home screen is the product list screen right here, which displays a list of products. Each product is displayed with an image, name, and price. And there is also an icon button right here to add or remove the product from the favorite list. While we also have another button, which is the floating action button. So this floating action button in the product list screen navigates to the product screen where users can manage their favorites, which was the screen I previously explained the code. Now the last file is the product.dat file. This is where I added the product information like the name, the price, the image URL, and this list is displayed on the main screen where users can interact with each item. So just in summary, before I show us how the code actually runs, this Flutter Favorites Management app, it allows users to add and remove products from their favorites. It allows them to store them persistently using shared preferences and displays them across sessions. And I made use of the provider state management, which ensures that the UI is automatically updated whenever the favorites list changes. So now let's open our terminal and run the code. So I'm going to begin All right, so this is how the app displays the product list. Right here we have a couple of lists, I think 8. So we have several products, different prices. And let's say for instance I want to get, like, I like the heels, I also like the headset, and I also like the myopia glasses. Right, you can see when I add them to favorites, each of the love or the art icon actually turns into color to show that I've made them favorite. So right now I'm gonna click on this floating action button right here, which is the love one, and I can see the products I have added to my favorites. And this is another icon here, the delete. Let's say for instance I made a mistake choosing the headset. I just come here to click on the delete icon and it automatically deletes. I click on glasses, I delete that. Click on eye heels, delete that. When I come back here, you can see that the colored icons have been removed, which shows that they are no longer my favorites. So let's say for instance I pick another one, fake color, or I pick the laptop and I go back again, you can see that it's been added, so automatically the UI changes. Thank you so much for watching my demo video. See you in the next one.